Hi, myself JYOTSNA. I have been completed my graduation in the year 2025. I have been joined Jspiders Punjagutta branch in the year 2024 at Java Full Stack Development. So Java was taught by Manjunath sir, Pawan sir and Kaushik sir, and my SQL was taught by Karishma ma'am and Revant Reddy sir, and my web technologies were done by Geeta ma'am and Reshma ma'am. And especially I would like to thank HR sir, that is Prashant sir. He encouraged me a lot and added in multiple requirements in multiple companies so that I can gain my confidence and I can boost up myself for further companies. I have been becoming low when there is I have attended a company and lost it, but Prashant sir HR has encouraged me a lot, so that added in multiple requirements and boosted me up. You can do it. So with the help of trainers and Prashant sir, I have been placed in a company. Thank you.